Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 17x plus 72. In this tutorial, we will walk you through step by step to find the solutions for this equation. Make sure to follow along carefully and take notes as we go through each step. Let's get started. To solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 17x plus 72, we start by altering the expression through factoring. In this step, our goal is to rewrite x squared plus 17x plus 72 as a product of two binomials. To do this, we need to find two numbers that multiply to give 72, which is the constant term, and at the same time add up to 17, which is the coefficient of the linear term. After examining the factors of 72, we recognize that the numbers 9 and 8 work because 9 times 8 equals 72 and 9 plus 8 equals 17. Thus, we can express the quadratic equation as x plus 9 times x plus 8. This completes the factoring of the quadratic expression. Multiplying the binomials x plus 9 and x plus 8. We first multiply x by x to get x squared. Then we multiply x by 8 to get 8x. Next, we multiply 9 by x to get 9x. Lastly, we multiply 9 by 8 to get 72. Adding these together, we get x squared plus 8x plus 9x plus 72. Combining like terms, 8x plus 9x becomes 17x. So, the expression simplifies to x squared plus 17x plus 72. Notice that we get back to the original quadratic equation, confirming that our factoring was done correctly. Therefore, solving the equation by setting each binomial to 0, we get x equals -9 or x equals -8 as the solutions. This completes the problem, demonstrating that the solutions to the quadratic equation x squared plus 17x plus 72 are x equals -9 and x equals -8. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.